Okay, the sub does not have to show this video if everybody was able to do the polynomial division without any problems, but I included it just in case there were troubles. So I'm going to do this up here just as an example. And if you don't need to watch it, just stop the video here and move on to the next problem in the next video. But anyway, so x to the fourth is going to go in this spot because that's what we start with. We always start with that first term. So this will have to be x cubed because x cubed times x gives me the x to the fourth. Now, if I know this is x cubed and this is 1, that makes this positive x cubed. Unfortunately, I need negative x cubed. So I'm going to have to take away 2x cubed because now when I combine this and this, I will get negative x cubed. But in order for me to get a negative 2x cubed in here, that I combined here, I'm going to have to take this side that's x and multiply it by negative 2x squared. Okay, now I can multiply negative 2x squared times 1, negative 2x squared times 1, and I can get negative 2x squared. But that's going to have to combine with something to be negative 5x squared. So I'll need a negative 3x squared here to make them combine to be negative 5x squared. Okay, now that I have that, I can go put a negative 3x here because negative 3x times positive x is negative 3x squared, and negative 3x times 1 is negative 3x. But I need a positive 3x. So to get a positive 3x, I'm going to have to multiply x by 6, just by plain old 6. And 6 times x will give me, oh, dang it, will give me 6x. And 6 times 1 will give me 6, which is exactly what I needed. And this is positive. So there's one of them. Now, we also noticed that x minus 2 was a factor. Well, I don't want to do all that work. That was an awful lot of work. So instead, so far what I know is x to the fourth minus x cubed minus 5x squared plus 3x plus 6 is equal to x plus 1 times x cubed minus 2x squared minus 3x plus 6. Whew. So now, since I know, oh, x minus 2 is a factor, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to divide this x cubed minus 2x squared minus 3x plus 6 by that x plus 2 factor. Let's see if that'll work, because then at least I could write, I have a little bit less work to do. So next video, why don't you guys try that? And if you have trouble, watch the next video.